Saxon Phonics, Lesson 27. Today we're going to be talking about the letter E. What sound do you hear in the beginning or initial position of these words? Elf, end, elm. And what letter is making that sound? Is the sound we hear in the beginning or initial position of these words. Elf, end, elm. E is the letter making that sound. We have two key words for the letter E. Our first key word for E begins with See if you can guess it. This animal is big and gray. It has tusks and big ears. It also has a long nose called a trunk. What do you think it is? Elephant. When you see this card, say elephant, The key word elephant helps us remember the sound because elephant begins with Repeat that after me. Elephant, Our next key word for E begins with E. See if you can guess it. This is something you might see on a math paper. It is two straight lines that come right before the answer. What do you think it is? Equal. When you see this card, say equal, E. The key word equal helps us remember the E sound because equal begins with E. Repeat that after me. Equal, E. Go ahead and get your phonics worksheet out. You can pause the video if you need more time. Number 1. M. Number 2. R. Number 3. G. Number 4. D. Number 5. B. Number 6. F. Number 7 has two letters. K. 8. A. 9. 10 has two letters. Z. Pause or rewind the video if you need more time writing those letters down. If not, let's go over them. Number 1 is M. Number 2, R. Number 3, G. Number 4, D. Number 5, B. 6, F. 7 is K and C. 8 is A. 9 is H. And 10 is Z and S. Go ahead and put your finger on number 11. Let's practice spelling some words. Spell the word am. Am. Number 12, camp. Camp. Number 13, eh, eh. Number 14, e, e. Number 15, me, m-e, me. Number 16, g-et, get, g-et. Number 17, left, left, left. Pause or rewind as needed. Look at numbers 18 through 22. Which word goes with the picture of the dress? Dress. Draw a line from the correct word to the picture now. Look at numbers 23 through 27. Which one of those words goes with the picture of the nest? N-est. Nest. Draw a line from the correct word to the picture now. When you're finished, code each word. Use breves for long vowels. Then turn your paper over. Number 1 says, "You and Peg are the best." You and Peg are the best. Who are the best? They're asking you, who are the best? Number 1 said, you and Peg are the best. Write the answer right here on who is the best. Let's look at 3 through 6 now. Here we have a spoon, spoon. Snowman, snowman. Crow, crow. Cloud, cloud. Match each picture with the correct blend. Cl, cr, sn, sp. Then practice your writing of capital E's and lowercase e's. When you're finished, send a picture of the back page to your teacher.